Imagine a world without sunlight, a realm of perpetual night deep beneath the waves. This is the deep sea, Earth's largest, least explored habitat. Down here, pressure is crushing, the water is near freezing, and food is scarce. Life has evolved in alien ways. Some creatures glow with bioluminescence, others have huge eyes or no eyes at all. Survival is a daily struggle, demanding extreme adaptations. In this vast darkness, finding another of your kind is like searching for a single person in a city-sized abyss, blind and alone. Yet life persists, and some of nature's strangest dramas unfold here. Among these, one animal's story stands out for its bizarre tale of love and survival. We are, of course, talking about the anglerfish. Out of the inky blackness, where sunlight never reaches, a single mysterious point of bluish light emerges, floating in the endless dark. It's a beacon in the abyss, a signal that something extraordinary is lurking below. This is not a distant star or a trick of the eye, but a living lure, an ingenious hunting tool wielded by one of the ocean's most bizarre predators, the anglerfish. The female anglerfish dangles this glowing appendage, known as an esca, just above her mouth. It's powered by colonies of bioluminescent bacteria, which produce light through a chemical reaction. This natural lantern is irresistible to the curious and the hungry. Drawn in by the hypnotic glow, unsuspecting small fish and crustaceans venture closer, only to be swallowed whole by her enormous gaping mouth lined with needle-sharp teeth. In the blink of an eye, the hunter claims her prize. Her body is soft, globular, and jet black, perfectly adapted for conserving precious energy and blending seamlessly into the pitch-black waters of the abyss, where every movement could mean life or death. She waits motionless, sometimes for days or even weeks, conserving energy in the cold, high-pressure depths until the next meal comes within striking distance. But this fearsome predator, with her nightmarish appearance and deadly tactics, is only half the story of the anglerfish's strange existence. The iconic anglerfish we recognize is always female. She's the hunter, the provider, and the very anchor of her species' survival in the deep. The male, in stark contrast, is minuscule, barely a fraction of her size. He lacks the glowing lure and, once mature, loses the ability to hunt or even feed himself. His entire existence is defined by a desperate, lifelong quest to find a female in the vast, empty darkness of the deep sea, no matter the cost. For him, survival means finding her or fading away, unseen in the endless night. Male and female anglerfish are so different in appearance and behavior that for a long time, scientists actually believed they were two entirely separate species. The contrast between them is one of the most extreme in the animal kingdom, and it's a story of survival shaped by the harshest environment on Earth, the deep sea. The female anglerfish is a giant compared to the male. She is large, solitary, and perfectly adapted for hunting in the pitch-black depths. Her body is built for endurance, and she carries a glowing lure on her head to attract unsuspecting prey, as well as to signal potential mates. She spends much of her life waiting, hovering motionless in the darkness, conserving precious energy. Every movement is calculated, as food is scarce and every meal counts. She is always ready, whether it's to snatch a passing fish or to encounter a mate. The male, on the other hand, is tiny, sometimes just a fraction of the female's size. He is a relentless seeker, equipped with oversized eyes and an extraordinary sense of smell, both evolved to help him locate a female in the vast, empty ocean. Unlike the female, the adult male doesn't hunt or eat. His digestive system shuts down after he matures, leaving him with only one purpose: to find a mate before he starves. His life is a desperate race against time and hunger. He must navigate the endless darkness, searching for a female before his energy runs out. Every moment is a struggle for survival. In the vast, silent expanse of the deep sea, finding another anglerfish is like searching for a needle in a haystack. The odds are stacked against him, and the darkness hides countless dangers. Evolution's solution to this challenge is ingenious. The female becomes a stationary target, while the male is transformed into a mobile seeker, driven by instinct and necessity. When he finally finds a female, the male latches onto her body, becoming little more than a living delivery system for sperm. His entire existence is focused on this one vital mission. Guided by the faintest chemical signals, he follows invisible trails through the darkness, drawn inexorably toward the promise of survival for his kind. If he fails, he dies alone in the darkness, and his genes vanish forever. But if he succeeds, he ensures the next generation of anglerfish will continue this extraordinary cycle. His journey is perilous, filled with uncertainty and danger, but it is the only chance for anglerfish to persist in the mysterious world of the deep sea. The male anglerfish's life is a desperate, one-way journey. From the moment he hatches, his fate is sealed. He is born with a single, all-consuming mission: to find a mate in the vast, unforgiving darkness of the deep sea. Guided by his incredibly sensitive nose, he spends his short life searching for the faintest trace of a female's scent, drifting through the endless blackness. Every moment is a race against time, as the deep ocean offers no mercy. Every movement burns precious energy. He cannot feed or defend himself. Unlike other fish, the male anglerfish is not built for survival. He is built for seeking. With no means to hunt or protect himself, he grows weaker with every passing day. Most males never succeed, perishing alone in the abyss. The vast majority will never fulfill their purpose, fading into the darkness, their journey ending in solitude. But if he finds her, he's drawn to her glowing lure, a beacon of hope in the endless night. The female's bioluminescent light is a signal, a promise of survival and legacy. There's no time for courtship. He bites onto her body immediately. Instinct takes over, and he latches on with all his remaining strength, knowing this is his only chance. His teeth lock him in place, and his transformation begins. He becomes a permanent part of her, fusing his fate with hers in a process both bizarre and fascinating. He is no longer a free swimmer. He's found his host and his destiny. The search is over, but a new chapter of existence begins. The male's search is over, but his role is just beginning. Now, he will provide sperm whenever the female needs it, ensuring her eggs can be fertilized at any time. He will never leave her side again. For the rest of his life, he is bound to her, inseparable, a living extension of her body. His body will change in ways almost unimaginable. His organs shrink, his body fuses with hers, and he becomes little more than a vessel for reproduction. This is the start of one of nature's strangest unions. In the darkness, their bizarre partnership is the key to survival, a testament to evolution's creativity. The male's sacrifice ensures the next generation. Through his devotion, life in the deep sea continues, and the cycle begins anew. Once attached, the male and female begin to fuse. This is sexual parasitism, a permanent, irreversible union. The male's mouth and the female's skin dissolve together. Their tissues merge, their circulatory systems connect, and the male becomes part of the female. He loses his eyes, fins, and organs, surviving as a pair of testes. Now, he's a living sperm bank, ready whenever the female spawns. She may carry several males, each fused to her body. This guarantees she'll never need to search for a mate again. The male's sacrifice is total, but it solves the deep sea's greatest challenge, finding a partner. It's a bizarre, but perfectly efficient solution. In the abyss, certainty is everything. The fusion of anglerfish is a marvel of biology. The male is plugged into the female's life support. Her blood sustains him. He breathes and feeds through her, existing only to fertilize her eggs. Most animals would reject foreign tissue, but anglerfish have evolved unique immune systems. They lack key genes for adaptive immunity, allowing this fusion without rejection. It's a risky trade-off, making them vulnerable to infection, but it ensures reproduction. The male's life is now tied to the female's. He lives and dies with her. When she's ready to spawn, hormonal signals trigger the males to release sperm in perfect synchrony. This guarantees fertilization in the vast empty ocean. Evolution has pushed anglerfish to the limits of what's possible. Sexual parasitism is a brilliant answer to the deep sea's challenges. Encounters are rare, so permanent attachment ensures reproduction. The female hunts and grows. The male conserves energy, existing only to fertilize eggs. This division of labor is key to their survival. With males always available, the female can spawn whenever she's ready. She times reproduction with her energy intake, maximizing offspring survival. The male's sacrifice is profound. He gives up everything for the species. In nature, success is measured by survival, not individuality. The anglerfish's story is a testament to evolution's creativity. Against all odds, this bizarre partnership works. It's one of the ocean's most enduring tales. The anglerfish challenges our ideas of individuality and partnership. It's a story of adaptation, sacrifice, and survival in the planet's harshest environment. The male's fate may seem grim, but it's an evolutionary triumph. Nature's solutions are often stranger than fiction. The deep sea is full of wonders we're only beginning to understand. The anglerfish reminds us that life finds a way, even in the darkest places. These creatures are pioneers, not monsters, and their story is one of resilience. In the end, nature remains the greatest storyteller of all.